Freestyle Friday.
I am pleased to give you Freestyle Friday.
Welcome back to another Freestyle Friday. Every single week, we're gonna do it my way. Recipes are free. You know I keep it hot. So grab that pen and paper. Let me show you what I got. What I got? Damn, it's hot. I'm gonna hit you up with the watermelon on the spot. 3 ways to cook and eat and slice. Better tune in, cause you're not gonna miss this twice. That kind of rhymed, it didn't make sense, but it don't even matter. It's 35 degrees and we're getting only... Okay, that's all I got. That's all I got. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Freestyle Friday. This week we're doing something a little bit different. We're doing watermelon. Award goes to the cutest melon I've ever seen, right here. And then we got something a little bit more heavy duty. I went with a seedless watermelon today, just cause, like, you know, who's got time to de-seed a melon? Number one, we're gonna start with something so my camera girl can just relax a little bit. This is something that she actually invented. We call it the watermelon chill. Let's get into it. Woo! Feel like a fruit ninja. Quick little tip. Microphone check. Listen to this. Okay? Now what you're gonna wanna do is cut this video out, download it somehow, and cut that clip and save it onto your cell phone. So when you're at the grocery store, you can compare sounds. That's like a very dull, like a melon, you know, like hollow but full, but with time you'll really become a professional like I am. That's a pretty good one. Cut that up. Some little pieces here. I'm gonna get rid of the one side and just sculpt it. So I'm gonna score that in the back. I'm actually gonna score it a few times. Just a light cut into the skin. I'm totally making this up as I go, but I feel like this is a great idea. And then look at this.
Cut into the skin.
Look at that.
Woo!
Look at that. Boom, you're not wasting any pink, so we can just go around and replicate this genius concept that I just invented. So this is how we're gonna cut watermelon if we're making it into a drink and we wanna get all of that beautiful red flesh. If we are gonna cut watermelon to go to summer camp or your son's soccer game, we're gonna show you a different way. Do not do this. This is like, we want a full piece. Flip it over to the side. We don't want any green because we're gonna make the best gosh darn drink you've ever had in your life. And then you can just cut that into whatever size you want. And that's going right into our mixer.
You should have taken me grocery shopping with you.
I know, I don't know what I was thinking. Forgot one of the ingredients in the 3-ingredient drink. I'm going back to the grocery store. Thank you.
You got this self-powered skateboard?
It's electric. You want to try it out? We'll be back at the Freestyle Friday in just 1 minute. Fresh lime. It's always important to roll out your lime. You're going to get a little bit more yield out of it. And we'll just cut that right in half. I'm going to get all that juice. Boom. Second one. Third one. You go back in with it. Look at all that extra juice that you would have just chucked in the garbage. Not me. No sorry, Bob. What do you got to do with your mint, baby?
You gotta slap it.
You know how the they freaking say smack it, brew. They're talking about mint. What that does is alleviates the protons and electrons that are within the mint infusion and really helps them pop.
Good one.
Don't quote me on that. Full of ice. Now here's the trick with the watermelon chills. I teach you the trick only because you guys are Freestyle Friday fanatics. Everyone else is not gonna know how to do this. You're gonna put that on. The trick is that once it does go, you don't wanna sit there on low and let it rip because you'll just pulverize into water. You actually wanna rip that on super high for a shorter amount of time so it turns into this slushy. Boom. Look at that. You see how we got a little bit of slush in there? Oh my word.
On point. That's your best yet. Oh, and that Flavor Flav.
The next way we're gonna do watermelon is a simple one, but trust me, it's a life changer. This is the one that I was talking about bringing to Saturday soccer practice. So you got your watermelon, you're gonna be that amazing mom or dad that's showing up with fresh watermelon slices, cold watermelon slices. Do not serve them hot watermelon slices. A, they're gonna buy it already quartered, so it looks something like, you know, like that. Or maybe they bought a half and it looks like that. And then they're just gonna cut it like that and put them in a Tupperware container like that and serve it to their kids. Now what is a kid gonna do with this? Let me show you. Oh, Mom.
Buddy!
Mom, that was so good. Mom, can I have a paper towel? The point is, they're making a mess, right? I'll teach you a trick. After I have a shower, hold on. 2 cuts that will save you time, money, and just make for a better life.
Oh, wow.
This will. Are you agreeing? Beck
Yeah.
does it too.
I love it.
She's a bit of a smack talker, but 1, toss. 2, toss. Pick. That diamond life. Not only will you have 3 times the amount of incredible bites, totally dry. I hope you guys are picking up what I'm putting down over here. The third way that we're gonna show you how to do watermelon today is a fresh watermelon olive feta mint salad.
Cucumber?
Cucumber. You can throw whatever you want in there. It's gonna be dialed. So you're gonna wanna cut your watermelon into little cubes like that. A little extra cucumber left over. So I'm just gonna dice that up into a similar size. This would be a great salad to serve if you're having a backyard banger. You wanna impress your friends. Serve it cold. It's gotta be ice cold. You can make it and then put it in the fridge and pull it out in front of them. We'll start with the dressing. So for here, we're gonna do some olive oil. That's a 1/4 cup of olive oil. 3 tablespoons of lemon. A little bit of salt, 2 teaspoons. Tabasco, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon with the dressing with a little pep. Yeah, it's just like a nice fresh dressing. You don't need to really mess with that too much. As far as feta cheese goes, I will do a Freestyle Friday on a full feta cheese recipe. I'm gonna use tofu as the base, but I haven't perfected it yet. So we're not doing that yet. In the meantime, shout out to Nyokos. If you live in the States, this is pretty widely available at Whole Foods. It's amazing. It's really, really delicious. This is like a softer, it's not actually feta. They call this one like a double cream chive, but it's gonna have the same kind of tones, and I'm just gonna crumble that on top. Okay, and then we're just gonna dice up some mint, some olives. Last but not least, just gonna use a little bit of red onion. So you're probably thinking to yourself, well, Eamon, this is pretty much a Greek salad. Hold the tomatoes, throw the watermelon. You're exactly right, Steve. Now it's time to build your salad. We're gonna take our cucumber and watermelon into a nice big bowl. Olives, mint, onion. You just lightly dress that. I like making salads in hugely oversized bowls, because it just makes your life so much easier to mix it. Okay, now we can try that. Now, depending on how badly you need to impress your friends, it's just what kind of character you are, if you're gonna take the extra mile. So what I'm gonna do, what I already did, is I went above and beyond the little cup. It's probably like a B or C or D cup.
Yeah, it's
And
definitely a D.
More like a D. I don't know anything about Ds. I wouldn't even know how to handle Ds. You make yourself a little bowl and just wait till you see how beautiful that is. Can you imagine going to a friend's place? Hey, come over for a casual barbecue, and you serve them. Anyway, I know you guys are mind blown. You take that. We're gonna serve the salad right in there. Who's excited?
This looks amazing.
Oh, at home, I want you to put your hand in the air if you're excited. Okay, I know I can't see you,
My hand's up.
but I would like to see your hand in the air. Okay, this is a little melted, guys, but you just sprinkle and crumble it on top. 3 recipes in 1 video has got me a little crazy chaotic.
Such a mess.
Yeah, I'm not usually like that, but we're gonna go ahead, dive in, try this out.
This looks really good.
It is really good. I don't think I said it enough, but watermelon deserves to be served cold, really, really cold. If you have a friend that's like, nah, I don't like watermelon, it's because they've had warm watermelon. I hope you guys go out, make some watermelon chills, enjoy, it's summertime. Tag me in your pics if that's something you're into. Smash the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next week, Friday. Freestyle Friday is coming at you. Also, one more thing. A lot of requests for the desserts. I've been playing around. So just hang tight, desserts are coming. Peace.
Stay hungry.
Stay hungry, friends.